In my last two videos I have showed you how can we install PowerShell 7 and how can we connect PowerShell to the Entra ID. In this video we will see how can we create a user through PowerShell. Before starting the lab, you must be connected to the Entra ID by running the command. By running this command, I will also share this command in a description. As the PowerShell has been opened, if it's not open, you can simply open it from the start menu. Now we will move toward the command. These command will be used in PowerShell 7, or also I will share this command in the video description. I will just copy the command and paste, and the next command that is I want to create a user with the name of Ali Khan. Surname, given name will be Ali and surname will be Khan, Ali.Khan. Here I will enter the UPN. UPN should be his login address @ his email, Ali.Khan. I will department will be marketing. Copy and paste. Account has been successfully created with the name of Ali Khan. So I will show you the user that has been created. You can simply open Entra.Microsoft.com. We will select all users. Here you can see that Ali Khan has been successfully created. And the same account has been replicated to Office 365. I will show you in Office 365 portal. So we have opened admin.microsoft.com. We will select users, active users, and here you can see that Ali Khan has been successfully replicated.